Good morning. Respected teachers, dear classmates, and the current students. I could also see, Dakshan and Parthiv, our juniors present here. To add is human. I would say to slur is human after what we subjected ourselves to last night. So pardon me if there are any slurs. I know why I am here. During my MBA days, I never got an opportunity to be on a dais. And that all thanks to all my more illustrious classmates. They never allowed me to be here. So this time when I was a de facto host, I said I am not going to leave this opportunity. I would like to introduce you to my classmates. I would like to introduce my classmates to you. See, the simplest way would be putting their photograph and then that designation. But that would have been highly inadequate and sometimes frightening, for you to approach them. How do we approach someone who is, heading the entire world for on mobile for a summer placement? You can't do that unless you know that, he is approachable. He is, one among us. I'm going to say something about everyone, starting with the first one. He is the gold medalist of our class. He is the ranker. He used to cling on us, when he used to sit on those stairs, and we used to call him Betal. He was also one of the first ones to become the managing director in one of the ICICI group companies. It's no mean achievement. He is Swapnil Kumar Chaudhary. Please welcome. That current role and current designations and that would be taken care of by Brajesh later on. The only one from my class to get a call from IIM. Though she could not make it there, she more than made up for the loss in education in her real life. She is Seema Kakade, with twinkle in her eyes and a dimple on her cheek. He was the heartthrob of our batch. He was the only one to own a bullet in our batch. The one and only, inimitable, Jerry Kuruvilla. This guy was rated one of the top 10 equity analysts in the year 2000 by business world. This was when, equity research analysis, what it is, top. He was the one, I would say he is the only one probably to bring open the potential of Indian banking sector to the investors, especially the public sector banks. He is Chanda Kochar, KV Kamath. They treat him and they know him as a knowledgeable, very well-known equity analyst. We know him as a fun-loving, happy-go-lucky Pathik Gandolkar.